everyone, and welcome to our channel Project Management and Control. This video tutorial I'm making to demonstrate how we can make simple and dynamic Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel using the chart tool. In my previous video, I tried to explain how we can make simple and dynamic and future Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel using the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is an excellent tool to make a small timeline Gantt chart of 2 to 3 months. But when the time scale become large for example 1 year or bigger, we can still use a conditional formatting, but it is very difficult to manage and it is not fit in the page, so it is not very visible and clear and it's not good for presentation purpose. So when the time scale become large, it's better to use another technique, which is the graph tool. So the graph tool is very good and is provide us very flexible way to and very easy way to to easily and very fast to create a Gantt chart, and it is flexible enough that we can edit and modify as per our requirement, and it is very good for presentation purpose and to be explained to the management. So let's see how we can do in Microsoft Excel. So now we open our Microsoft Excel. Now we are going to type our basic information here: serial number, activity description. So we type all our information here. This is our serial number, description, plan start, plan duration, plan finish, and milestone duration. So we compute the milestone duration is here. For example, our milestone, we put it here that if the plan duration is equal to 0, it means that it is a milestone, then our date should be, you can take plan start or plan finish, anything, okay, or else put empty, okay. And milestone duration, this will be equals to, if plan duration equals to 0, then milestone duration is this minus plan start minus plus plan finish minus plan start plus 1, else 0, okay. So now our milestone duration is computed. So once we are doing this one, we are going to make our Gantt chart. So click anywhere and insert stack Gantt chart, horizontal stack bar chart, okay. This bar chart is open, and then just press shift and enlarge it. Now right click and make select data, then add project start. This is our start date data, okay. And then we add the duration, plan duration, and this is the data. And this plan duration, then this our data should be concession to project handover. Once our data is done, you can notice here that we have the time line on the bottom, and our project activities are in the reverse order. Means commencement is the first activity, but here it shows last activity. So we want to modify or reverse our information. So just click it, and you can right click, select project axis, or just click the information here and press Ctrl 1. It will open the format axis data, and in the bottom you will see categories in reverse order. So just click this categories reverse order. It will make your data in the right way. Now you can see here stack bar. Stack bar is, this is our date and this is your duration. So we need our duration. So we just start this start date. We don't want to show it, only our reference data. So we just go in the home and make this fill no color. Okay. Suppose, and our project start from 1st October. So we want to see, now you can see here that our data is very big, and is very too much mixing, and this too much gap is here, so we don't need this much gap here. So we just type anywhere that equals to date 2023 October 1st, and want to see what is this number. So we go in number, is 45,200. So I will tell you how this 45,200 number came. Excel compute the duration from year 1900. So it means that from year 1900 till 1st October 2023, the total days pass is 45,200. So we go in our our axis and press Control 1 and make this 45,200. Just we make it 45,190. Okay, so you can see it is adjusted now. Okay, after this adjustment we want to show here that our what is our uh, we want to show our milestones. So how we can show the milestone? We show milestone by the use of the error bar. So we just select on the duration and then go here, we go error bar and just go in the more option application. Then here we select plus sign. Okay, we don't need the caps, and then we go for the data as custom and specify our data is duration here. No negative value because we just select a positive value, so no need to mention a negative value here. Just click OK. Then you come here and then this line color, then this color of the milestone you can select red. Okay, and then you can say begin arrow type. So when you open this one, it has different arrow styles here. So we select this middle one because it is resembles with the milestone symbol in most of the scheduling software. So we select this one and then just go and make it little big. It's okay. Now you can see now we show our milestone using the error bars. So once we do this one, we are going to put all our information into the nice sheet. And so what we do here, this sheet is sheet number 1. We just type as a working sheet. Okay, and we add one more sheet which is a final Gantt chart. So for the final Gantt chart, we take the values from here. Okay, Control C and paste it here. Just select and project duration. Normally project duration is not required, but what we'll do here, we just select one more column here. We say is equals to just write the formula. If project duration is 0, you need empty. Otherwise, divide the duration by 7 to give the duration in months. So we just click this one and press enter. We have a mistake here. So if we just type it to 0, then put empty otherwise, and then just go here and make round for 1. So we get some error here. So what we'll do, we say that this D2 is 0, then we need the empty cell. No, we will put 0 here and then press Control Enter. It will copy the cell and just we make the our value till 1 digit only. Okay, so once we do this one, we just go here and bring our chart from here, Control C, and put it here, Control V, and just match it here. Then we remove this data from here. Okay, and now you can see that is shown here. Just we hide this one, we don't need this information. Okay, once you hide this one and this our duration also. Okay, so we don't need this also, but for time we just keep it and we make this actually duration height as 35. Okay, and then we make this our chart and make select here and then format chart area and then no fill. Okay, and then we select anywhere and go to view and remove the grid line by uncheck this grid line option. So now we select this one and now we have a column. A project is from 1st October. So September 26 is it is uh, around 36 months. Our project duration is 35 months and some days. So what we'll do here now, we do go here in the format axis, and then we just if you go format axis and go for format axis and right click format axis, you can see here that the major axis duration is 20 days. But if you put 30 days here, our duration will be 1 month. But problem is that if you put 30 months, our air will become 360 days. But our air is not under 360 days. It is 365 days. So what we'll do here, we divide 365 divided by 12. So it is become 30.416. So we just go here and make our major axis 30.4167. Okay, and you can see that you cannot see here bar properly. Just click it here and go to home and make the font alignment as vertical. Now you can see it is okay here. Now what we'll do, we need 36 columns. So what we'll do here, we select 36 column here. For selecting 36 column, we remove our chart far so that it will not interfere. Is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, then make row column width 3.12. You can see now here is 18. So we need more 18. Control C, Control E. Now you can see here that we have 37. It is good. So we just go here, add one more row up, and then select from here to 36. Okay, we just type column, make this one dynamic columns H1, just log this one, press F4, and then press H1, H1, log this one, F4, then H1 again, bracket close and control enter. This columns, press S, this H1 to SH1, not SH1, only S1. Okay, so this 37 months is coming. Then we go control 1 again and make custom and make this one 0 and type M4 month. Just reduce the size to 9. Okay, now you see 36 months is coming here now. Now what we'll do here, we'll bring our chart and then make it enlarge. Just select this one all. Press Ctrl 1, make border, make gray, and make all around gray, and in the middle thin line. Similarly, just go from here to 36 months. We make one more row. Press Ctrl 1 again, go to bars, and then make. Okay, once you do this one, just adjust your graph to match the values. Just it, remove this, just bring it little down. Still see data, so just need to increase this column row height. Is 35, make 50. When you make 50, you then need to make it down again. Okay, so okay, now let's also make this column width is 3.1. So we just take this little out and make this G also 3.11, and this is 0. Just format 0 month. Okay, so now our okay, we just reduce the size so that we can easily show. Okay, just make it to here and make this up to the end of the month 0. Now you're going to see our project start is 1st October, which is 1st October. We already checked that if we go in Excel, what this number should be. So we have this date 2023 October 1st, and then our completion date is 7 September. Okay, just control C and make values 1, 2, 3. Then go and control 1 and then make this number. So our project start 45,200 and finish 46,272. So we just go here and go to format axis 45,200 to make it adjust, and then 46,722, 46,272, 45,200. Okay, 45,200. Okay, so you see here 45,200. Now we have to go a little more because you cannot see this. So just go here, format axis 45,200, make this 45,170, 170. Okay, and then you can see here our time is here 46,272. So just go here in the format axis 272, make it at, if you add 30 here, it will be 302. Okay, this 36 months. This is the first month starting 1st October. Okay, so we just need to make it little here. Once you do this one adjustment, just make the time scale, press Ctrl 1, go to border, and make this yellow color. Okay, center. Okay, so once you do this one, we done our chart here. Just select this also, make yellow color and make center and alignment. Okay, then we just add some more rows here. Shift insert, press F4 to repeat the previous command. Okay, then we type the project name here, design. Design and construction of recreational facilities. Just select F and then just select the font color, whatever you want. make bold and make the font color high big, so for easy visibility, and make the developer. XYZ Development Company LLC. Okay, so just name the put the name of the developer and make bold. Okay, now just press the row number 6, our first row, and go view, and then freeze this pen. Okay, now you want to suppose you want to see write it here. What is the description of this column? So just select the column, just select the graph, and go insert, and in the insert select bar chart this, and put it here equals to tender process. Okay, and concatenate, select the graph, and go insert, and put the text box, and this equals to commencement of the project, and enter. Equals to. Okay, once you do this one, select this one and make the size small, and then just adjust this one like this. Similarly, just copy this down, and then this is equals to design stages. Okay, then again select this down, alter, then this is equals to RFP for the design consultant. Similarly, you can finish for all. Similarly, once you do this one, select this one. The important thing and trick is here is that when you are putting some external information, like we put the text box here. So select the graph and then click this text box and put Shift Control and just drag this one, it will copy. In this case, what has happened, this value is linked with the chart. So if you move the chart, this value already move, this also move will be moved with the chart, so you don't need to make adjustment all the time. I will show you this just in a while. Shift Control and then click and then make it down. This equals to the commencement of the construction. Then select Shift Control down and make this to here. Equals to project handover. So now what I want to show you, see here, if we select the graph and move the graph, everything will move with the graph. See, so this is this text box you put over it, it will act as an integral part of the graph. So you don't need to make this adjustment again and again. Okay, so I hope it is helpful for you and you like this graph. And just the one last thing is that we put it here, project duration, no need to mention it here. So we just hide this one and then hide this also. This we can remove this column even not it required. Okay, remove unnecessary data from here. Okay, then press Control P to see how it looks like in printout. So normally the Gantt chart will be shown in landscape, and then we go to scaling. Before going to scale, go to page setup and make the margin as minimum as possible. make sheet header footer, custom footer, page. Okay, put it printed on 1st October 2023. Just make the font small and bold. Okay, and then go to custom fit sheet on the one page. Okay, you can see here we can go and just make it little. Then again Control P to see how it look like in printout. Okay, and it's nice. And one last thing we are going to do is that we select our data till here. Then again see Control P. It's okay. So the good thing with this is that if something is modified, you don't need to go anything again and again. For example, if you go here and change our project date from October to November, everything will be adjusted automatically. Even this graph, now we have to go and make it 170. Now we can make it 200. So everything will be adjusted automatically. Okay, so if you have if something like this, you need any modification or uh, something you want to make very fast and which is easy to understand and which is easy to present and it's presentable. So Excel is a great tool to make this small Gantt chart easy and fast. You can make some more resemblance from here. Just make commencement date bold and make this color something like Primavera. Similar design stage, we can put it such a stage, we can put it. Okay, so you can see here now our Gantt chart is ready, and this Gantt chart is around 3 years old, 3 years long. You can make more lengthy Gantt chart as per your requirements. The main purpose here to give you an idea or tips how we can create excellent Gantt chart and which is easy to understand and easy to prepare and easy to modify and editing. So I hope this video is helpful for you and it helpful for you in your upcoming work to prepare the some small chart. It helpful for you to prepare a small Gantt chart for the presentation purpose or for the meeting in the progress meeting or to prepare for the higher management requirement to show to show them and which easy to understand and which is required to get management approvals. So if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will appreciate your time. That for time and I will try to make one more video in the future, which is more dynamic and which will show it will be in the future video. I will show how can we make the Gantt chart, which we can be used for update purpose also. So and how can we show the progress in the bar and how can we show the baseline and actual and forecast bar to make comparison, because this also sometimes the management requirement they want to compare the baseline and the original plan with the current situation. So my next target is to make the video with the baseline and current program with the with the progress percentages. So till next video, thank you for your time again, and I request my kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. And till next video, thank you again. Bye bye.